like celebrating holidays?
Of course, holidays are the best. My favorite is Christmas. I love decorating the Christmas tree and opening presents. What about you?
I love Christmas too. My family bakes cookies and we drink hot chocolate while watching Christmas movies.
That sounds so cozy. Do you leave cookies for Santa?
Yes, and a glass of milk. Last year, he left a thank you note.
Wow, that's so cool. Another fun holiday is Halloween. I love dressing up in costumes and going trick-or-treating.
Me too. Last year, I dressed up as a witch and got so much candy.
I was an alien. We also carved pumpkins and decorated our house with spooky lights.
That sounds awesome. Do you like Easter?
Yes, my family has an Easter egg hunt in our backyard. It's so much fun finding the hidden eggs.
Same here. My parents fill the eggs with chocolate and small toys. We also paint real eggs with bright colors.
That's a great tradition. And on Easter Sunday, we have a big family lunch.
Oh, I love Easter lunch. We always have lots of delicious food.
Speaking of food, Thanksgiving is another great holiday. My family makes a huge feast with turkey, mashed potatoes, and pumpkin pie.
We don't celebrate Thanksgiving, but I've heard the food is amazing.
It really is, but I also love New Year's Eve. We stay up late, watch fireworks, and count down to midnight.
Yes, it's so exciting. I love making New Year's resolutions too.
What is a New Year's resolution?
A list of things I would like to do.
Oh, yes. Last year, I promised to read more books. What was your resolution?
I wanted to learn how to ride a bike, and I did it.
That's great. Do you celebrate any other holidays?
Yes, we celebrate Valentine's Day by giving cards and candy to our friends.
That's fun. And don't forget about Independence Day. We watch fireworks and have a barbecue with our neighbors.
That sounds amazing. Holidays are so special because we spend time with family and friends.
Yes, I can't wait for the next holiday.
Me too. Let's start planning for the next celebration.